time I clean my room. I feel like we get through the week, and as we go through the week, things just pile up, they get messy, they get all over the place, and then the weekend comes and it's time to clean it all up, and the weekend's here. So it's time to clean it all up so I can make a mess again next week. I decided to break up the cleaning and get out of the house. We are at the art museum. Successful at the art museum, kind of. Didn't sit down or draw, but that's okay. I got some inspiration for things to draw later. I really liked the sculptures and I want to draw sculptures. I'm not a sculptor, so instead of sculpting sculptures, we're gonna draw sculptures. Now we're gonna go back home. I want to watch Disney movies, so I might do that. All right. Ciao. decide whether or not I should keep this wall white or add some stick and peel paper to make it an accent wall with this wood texture. It's a little darker than the floor, which I don't appreciate, but it's the closest I could find to match the floor. We were so close. I just got order packed. He's got 3 necklaces. They're actually all the same necklace. They're the one that I'm wearing right here. Very cute, very cute. I'm gonna go drop these off later, but first I'm hanging out with my friend Gabe. We're going to the bookstore, so see you there. This book has already gripped my heart so hard, and I'm only, I think, 13 pages in, and oh, this book is just, that's all I'm gonna say about it. This one, ooh.